fellas and fellettes, welcome back to Hot Damn Racing Team, and if you're new here, welcome. Let's talk about a law that protects your warranty. It's also the same law that protects the dealerships, all right? So I'm hearing people talking about there is nothing that can protect your warranty if you modify your vehicle, and that is a lie. That's wrong. There is the Magnuson-Moss Act that protects you, and it also protects the dealership at the same time. I am riding in a vehicle right now. I used that law, Magnuson-Moss Act. All right, so this is what happened. First time that I had to use it on them really wasn't that serious. It was kind of just an initial buying this damn Jeep. I'm in my Jeep. All right, so what I was told when I was buying it, when I was signing the paperwork, making the purchases, that I cannot modify this Jeep or they will cancel my warranty. At that time, all I said was Magnuson-Moss Act. The dude that we're signing the paperwork with looked at my wife and said, this guy knows what he's talking about. And he said I was right. It was like their job to freaking scare me into not modifying this Jeep. So I modified the Jeep. The Jeep is lifted. Got core 4x4 arms, right? All that good stuff. And I brought the Jeep in for warranty services. Had nothing to do with the lift. Guess what? They warranted the Jeep. Now, why is that law there? All right, there used to be a point in time when dealerships, all right, would cancel your warranty for simply replacing your radio. That's pretty wrong, all right, in any sense. All right, that's why they had to make the law. Because if you replaced your hubcaps, they were trying to cancel your warranty. If you replaced anything, your seat covers, they were trying to cancel your warranty. All right, so yeah, there is a law, but you got to be careful. All right, if you modified your PCM or anything, all right, this is how it works. Anything that's modified is not covered. And now it is exempt on the warranty. All right, now, if they can prove whatever parts, those modified parts are touching on the vehicle that caused the problem, all right, that's what I mean, like in their favor. All right, if your modified parts caused a problem and you're trying to go in for a warranty, it's not going to work. If your modified parts did not cause the problem, they're obligated to warranty those parts. You understand? They're not obligated to warranty your modified parts or the parts that they are touching. I mean, it's kind of iffy up and down. You might be able to find a cool dealership if you have a problem. A lot of dealerships won't be that cool. You know, some of them are trying to make money. This is my understanding. A lot of them are trying to just get paid. They'll bring you in and push you out. They won't investigate nothing. And that's the truth. All right, they'll just fly it through. All my vehicles are modified, and I've never been denied warranty services at all. Period. Ever. All right, but just remember, it works both ways, in your favor and in their favor. All right, it's not a singular law. Just go and read the law, Magnuson-Moss Act. All right, I'm home right now. Just went out to go get some family, some donuts and whatnot. But yeah, just trying to. I want to get out there, and people try to say that there is no law. You're crazy. You're absolutely 100% nuts. All right, and I am just getting kind of sick of the nuttery that's been going on in this world lately. All right, now you know I hear this from the same people that said my turbo wouldn't work. Hey, hot in the hell yeah, guess so. Y'all the baddest.